What's good to all the realms out there? It's your boy, Real, back with another video. We out here, super dark. We got the fam out here. We camping. We going hunting for the crazy Sam Squinch.
What?
Sam Squinch?
Sam Squinch.
We're looking for the Sam Squinch. Nah.
Hot tamale.
Ooh, uno.
Ese.
No. Uno, por favor. No. So, we're about to go to the. Well, we're at a lake right now. We're gonna go ahead and go to the little. What's it called? Lakefront or some shit? It's not called a beach. It's not a beach per se. Yeah.
It's a reservoir.
It's a reservoir?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the stars because they said it looks amazing. If you were like,
How
on
you turn the
some real
camera
good
around?
stuff. Oh, fuck, I don't know.
Alright, I'll be your cameraman.
We're gonna look at the stars. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, I got my baby right here. You know, we're gonna upload this to the second channel, the family channel. Alright. Hopefully you guys enjoy the view. Like we're gonna enjoy the view. You know, we got the fam out here today. We got the usual fam. We got Twaneezy, my brother.
Yeah.
We got Adrian Easy, my gay brother. And his girl, Reezy. She's the cool one now. We got my boy Isaac Easy. And the sister UV Easy. And the boy Randy Easy. Everybody's Easies today.
We're in breezy.
That's right. Because I love rocking the Yeezys, you know what I'm saying?
Well,
Even though
have light band to see the
I only
stars.
I only sport like 2 pairs.
Turn
But
on
yeah,
band
so
so
we're
you
here
can see the
now.
star.
And we're just gonna go ahead and show you some video of the stars.
Turn off the
In
light
3,
band.
2, 1, ha! Then we'll stop it. Yeah.
Is he,
Don't go any
is
further.
he breathing?
Yeah, babe, he's okay.
The monster might get you.
Are you sure?
The moon.
You fell?
This thing's right here.
This white stripe?
Can y'all see?
Oh, it is the Milky Way.
Yeah, so going this way,
It's beautiful.
that's the edge.
I don't see anything. They're talking about.
There's too many lights. We can't see all the stars.
They're talking about looking at the stars, but I can't see shit. No stars. No moon.